Hello, and welcome to my short excursion as we wheeled out to China Dam. This old breach dam is located northwest of Lake Pleasant near Phoenix, Arizona. The trail can be a bit rocky in places, and the final downhill to Humbug Creek is a bit rougher, so four-wheel drive and high clearance is needed. We lucked out today. Most of our creeks and marshes are dry most of the time, and it isn't often we come down and find so much water here. The dam is so named for the Chinese migrant workers who built it sometime around the turn of the 19th and 20th centuries. The dam was built to support hydraulic mining activities in this area. I hope you enjoy the short piece of Arizona history, and thanks for watching.